How to start your own YouTube channel, a step-by-step guide. In today's digital age, creating a YouTube channel has become a powerful tool for sharing your creativity, expertise, and unique voice with the world. Whether you're a budding content creator, a business owner aiming to expand your online presence, or someone looking to connect with like-minded individuals, starting your own YouTube channel can be an exciting and rewarding venture. With the right approach and strategy, you can build a loyal community of subscribers and make a meaningful impact. Follow these comprehensive steps to kickstart your YouTube journey and establish a strong online presence. Understanding your audience and defining your niche. Before diving into the technical aspects of creating your YouTube channel, take a moment to define your target audience and niche. Understanding the preferences and interests of your potential viewers will help you tailor your content to meet their needs effectively. Research the trending topics in your niche and identify the gaps where your content can add value and uniqueness. This initial groundwork is crucial in setting the tone for your channel's direction and content creation strategy. Setting up your YouTube channel. Creating your Google account. To get started, you'll need a Google account. If you already have one, simply log into your account. If not, you can easily create one by following the prompts on the Google account creation page. Creating your channel. Once you're logged in, navigate to YouTube and click on the Create a Channel option. Follow the step-by-step instructions to set up your channel name, profile picture, and channel description. Make sure to choose a channel name that reflects your content and resonates with your target audience. Customizing your channel. Personalize your channel by adding a channel trailer, channel art, and a captivating description that succinctly describes what your viewers can expect from your content. An appealing channel layout will leave a lasting impression on your audience and encourage them to explore your videos further. Crafting engaging and high-quality content. Planning your content strategy. Outline a content calendar that outlines the topics you will cover and the frequency of your uploads. Consistency is key to building a loyal subscriber base, so ensure that you deliver valuable and engaging content regularly. Producing high-quality videos. Invest in good quality recording equipment, such as a high-resolution camera and microphone, to ensure that your videos are visually and audibly appealing. Pay attention to lighting and audio quality to create a professional and polished end product. Optimizing your video titles and descriptions. Use relevant keywords in your video titles and descriptions to improve your video's visibility in search results. Craft compelling and descriptive titles that entice viewers to click and watch your content. Promoting your channel and engaging with your audience. Utilizing social media platforms. Leverage the power of various social media platforms to promote your YouTube channel and reach a wider audience. Share snippets and teasers of your content across platforms to generate interest and drive traffic to your channel. Encouraging viewer interaction. Foster a sense of community by encouraging your viewers to like, comment, and share your videos. Respond to their comments and feedback to build a strong rapport and establish a loyal fan base. Analyzing your performance and making improvements. Regularly monitor your channel's performance using YouTube's analytics tools. Pay attention to metrics such as watch time, engagement rate, and subscriber growth to understand your audience's preferences and tailor your content accordingly. Use these insights to refine your content strategy and continuously improve the quality of your videos. With these fundamental steps and a passion for creating compelling content, you can embark on an exciting YouTube journey and cultivate a thriving community of engaged subscribers. Remember to stay authentic, consistent, and responsive to your audience's needs to build a successful and enduring YouTube channel.